be a nice bit of garlic. Lemons. Anything you want, you can get. Oyster mushrooms. And look at that lovely coriander. And chili. Red capsicums. Orange and yellow. Red and orange and pink and blue. Oh, I love Chelsea. Ooh, do you? Look at the size of them mussels. Great big New Zealand mussels. That's a nice one.
Yeah, I can see.
Look at that. Hey, can I help you? Can I help you?
Yeah,
When we're in these lovely supermarkets in Cyprus, you got to help the customers.
it's customer service here.
Customer service. There you go, young lady.
It's beautiful.
There you go. Wonderful
Yeah.
and beautiful. And can I help you? Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Oh, okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Anyway, in Bafos and in this supermarket, we make some beautiful food, we sell beautiful food, and we make really, really wonderful, beautiful salads. And now I'm gonna make you a very, very beautiful, it's a Japanese style mussel salad with a little bit of Bafos and a bit of Gil the Charlie. Anyway, we're going now. These are wonderful mussels. Look at the size of these. These are big mussels, big mussels. Look at them, they're wonderful. Now we're going to make a very, very simple, fast, quick, super easy Bafos salad. Let's go. This is a bowl. Now we've got some lovely teriyaki sauce. And I like the light teriyaki. And this is a really, really lovely sauce. We're going to put, of course, the wonderful, the ever wonderful ginger. Do you love ginger? You like ginger? Yeah. What a beautiful lady, huh? Welcome, welcome. Oh my God, no, it's me. It's okay. What a wonderful, look at this ginger. We'll put it inside. Lovely. A little bit of fresh garlic. That's very, very good. Very, very good. Okay. Now what we have here is some lovely chopped spring onion. Look at that. All together now, one wonderful family. Look at that. And of course, the one and only, a little bit of green and red chili. I do like a little bit green chili, a little bit of red chili mussels. Oh yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, we're getting there slowly now. Of course, you know, I love my honey from Cyprus. Look at that lovely honey, look at that. Whoa, God, my son, get in there. You see, we can do anything. We're in Cyprus, we're making Japanese salads. That's lovely. Now, a little bit, of course, of Cyprus olive oil. All the way from these mountains here, from our olive groves in Bafos. Look at that, that is lovely. That is so good. A little bit of the old salt, a little bit of black pepper, and of course, wonderful fresh lemons. You can't beat, oh yeah, look at that, that's so good. I like that. In fact, it's wonderful. In fact, for you, Sylvia, it's beautiful. Look at that, oh yes. Sylvia's a good friend of mine. Now we're gonna mix together our marinade. You know, are you watching? I like your dress. Wonderful dress the lady's got. Can I cut a few pieces to put in my marinade? Give it a bit of colour? Look at that, it's lovely. Now, we're gonna get our lovely mussels and we're gonna drop them into this little marinade here, just to soak them in a little bit. There we go. It's a bit of a tight squeeze. It's a bit of a small bowl, but anyway, we're getting there. That's lovely, that's lovely. Okay, look at that. Lovely, let's just soak them in there. Look at that, beautiful. That is so good, that's so good. Right, we'll just let them marinate for a couple of seconds. We'll put it over here on the side. Now we'll get some lovely cos lettuce from Cyprus. So I feel like I'm getting married. Agabin, will you marry me? Are you going? Okay, okay, don't marry me. Okay, now, a lovely cos lettuce. Just with your hands slowly. Don't be afraid. Wonderful. And then open them all up together. Lovely. Look at that. Beautiful, fresh, crispy cos lettuce. Look at that. That's lovely. That's good. That's good. Now we're going to get our lovely shells. We'll spread them all around our bowl here. Look at that. That's really good. That's good. Welcome to Cyprus. Welcome to Buffalo. Look at that. That's wonderful. Wonderful. That's looking good. In fact, I'm going to give them a bit more of an edge. I'm going to go left to right and right to left. That's good, that's good. Okay. Our mussels are doing well. Now over here I'm going to get some lovely chopped peppers I've got here. Some nice orange peppers and green peppers. Just place them in the middle of your bowl there. Give some nice life to your salad. Look at that, that's lovely. That is wonderful. And of course my favourite fruit, which is kiwi. In between our shells. That's good, that's good. Look at that. Finish off, put our lovely kiwi fruit. That's wonderful, that's good. That's good. Right, now what I want you to do is, obviously, is while this is marinating for a couple of minutes, our beautiful mussels, I want you to write down all the recipe on the card. And I'll come back to me in about a minute, because I need to get a drink. Excuse me, darling, you got a drink over there? Okay, now we're going to finish off our lovely salad. Look at that. Let's get these mussels slowly, slowly. You can place each one into a nice shell. Look at that, that's lovely. It's the name of my girlfriend actually, Michelle. Michelle, my belle. These are words that go together well. And a little bit of marinade on the top now. Just coming close now. Excuse me, Yanni, get over here, will you? Look at that. Lots of little bits of your ginger and your garlic on top of your mussels. Look at that. Oh, yes. My papa told me that I would get me. Look at these mussels. Is that lovely? Now, put the last few remaining mussels on the top. So a little bit of it soaks in. And I like to finish it off with just a little kiss of coriander. All the way from Buffer, Cyprus. And this is our wonderful salad. This is the Buffer special, recommended by my papa.
I don't want to try the sauce. Have I got to try it?
Well, yeah, try
You
it.
have to run that damn camera.
No, of course you
I'm
don't.
not keen on mussels.
Go on, eat one. No, they're cooked.
risky.
No, they're cooked. Trust me, they're cooked.
I know, I'm still not keen on them.
All right, okay. We want to try the sauce.
Yeah, I did.
All right, try the sauce.
How'd you make this quickly again?
Good?
Yeah, biz. Lovely.
It's
taste the ginger,
teriyaki
can't you?
sauce, ginger, garlic, spring onion, a bit of chilli, olive oil. Boom. Watch the TV show, get the recipe, and we'll be on
Yeah,
TV
let's
soon.
try a bit of salad with it.